Hello Charles, and welcome to the show.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
As you know, we are interested in how the human brain works. More specifically, today's topic is the neuronal substrates of cognition. What could you share on the subject?
I've prepared a presentation gathering some of the findings from top neuroscientists at planet Earth.
Oh, how interesting. Go on.
Alright, so from Johnson & Johnson's work, which is currently in press, we know that the prefrontal cortex is definitely involved.
Logical statement, since it has been established that your kind's frontal lobe is the seat of executive function, also known as cognitive control. To briefly remind our audience, the concept encompasses such mental feats as planning, organizing, impulse inhibition, working memory and so on. Am I right?
According to my knowledge, your definition is correct. However, other brain areas seem stimulated by cognitive processes as well.
Really? How so?
Well, for example, Wolf and colleagues wrote in 2010 that theory of mind, or TOM, the ability to infer other people's mental states, recruited cortical regions such as the superior temporal sulcus, temporoparietal junction, likewise medial prefrontal cortex, temporal pons and precuneus. Further, the authors divided TOM into components such as face processing and recognition, self-reference and language comprehension, and found that different cortical clusters contributed to each.
How fascinating. I heard that humans are somewhat impaired cognitively when anxious. Is that correct?
Actually, Asink and co-authors developed a construct in 2007, called the attentional control theory, which does indeed state that anxiety appears to hinder performance. Nonetheless, the situation may be remedied by compensatory mechanisms. In line with the idea, Ansari and Direction published a paper in 2011, describing more cognitive effort on the part of high anxious individuals than low anxious participants during a mixed antizicate task.
Unbelievable. Okay, we'll pause for a commercial break, but we'll be back with more on the neural correlates of human cognition.